Decades of research has shown that autism, the major components contributing to autism is actually genetics. So what we are trying to understand is how different types of genetic variation, their combinations and their interactions contribute to autism and other related neurodevelopmental disorders. My name is Santhosh Girirajan. I'm a T. Ming Professor of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology and Department Head of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology at Penn State University. My recent research has identified when you have a child with a specific, what we call as a disease-associated mutation, there are other background variations that can contribute to where the clinical trajectory can be, what will happen to the child as the child grows up. So the big question is, if there are so many different genetic factors and so much variation that we see in the population, from people who are mildly affected to children who are severely affected, how do we really untangle this? So what we are doing is we are fixating, or what we call selecting, being select, or what should I say, we are selecting on a particular disease-associated mutation. So once you condition upon one disease-associated variation and then look for everybody having the same genetic variant or a mutation, and then say what else they have in the genetic background, which tells you that maybe you can prepare the child, or you can prepare ways to really improve lifestyle, or prepare a better family environment, and also start thinking about monitoring your child development during their stages of development to ensure that you're catching something early on. At the end of the day, what I want to say is this is a trend or a phenomenon that we see in the general population, and this also tells us how genetic disorders actually arise in the population. You might think about why are genetic disorders happening, or why do individuals end up having autism or any kind of neuropsychiatric traits. Well, this is how genetic disorders arise in the population. You have these rare mutations that are seen in all these individuals, and randomly these deletions happen in individuals, and this random mutation along with all the genetic mutations that you have contribute to these different trajectories.